Good day everyone. So here's my non-digital instructional material. It is a laptop structure because I want to catch the attention of the students since nowadays the use of gadget has a big impact in our lives. So in teaching learning process, it is important to consider or prefer what are the most effective materials to use in teaching. So it is important to catch the attention and interest of the students in order them to have a courage to learn. So that's why I used to create this kind of non-digital instructional material. Good afternoon, class. I am Miss Marian Botolia. I am your English teacher in your class. This afternoon, we are going to tackle one of the important topic in English subject. In order you to know what is our topic all about, let me open this file just to show you and present to you what is our topic all about this afternoon. So our topic this afternoon is all about adjectives. So what is an adjective? Okay, adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. So the example of word adjectives are small, blue, and sharp. These are the descriptive adjectives, and they are all examples of adjectives. Because adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual people and unique things, they are usually possession before the noun or pronoun that they are going to modify. Some sentences contains a multiple adjectives. So in making sentences, it could be there is only one adjectives or two or more adjectives. It depends upon what is your sentence all about. So there are examples of adjectives. There are some phrases that contains adjectives. These are okay, example number 1. They live in a big, beautiful. So in this phrase, the adjective there are the word big and beautiful. Then example number 2. Since it's a hot day, Lisa is wearing a sleeveless. So in this sentence, the adjectives there are the word hot and sleeveless. Example number 3. The mountain tops are covered in sparkling. So in this example, the adjectives there is the word sparkling. Then adjectives has a different types. So the types of adjectives types of adjectives. So the first type of adjectives is demonstrative adjectives. So what is a demonstrative adjectives? Okay, demonstrative adjective is like the article the demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate or demonstrate specific people, animals, or things. This, those, this, and that are demonstrative adjectives. So examples of demonstrative adjectives are these books belong on that. So in that phrase, the adjective there is the word this and that. Then the next example is this movie is my favorite. So the adjective there is the word this. The next example, please put those cookies in the blue plate. So the adjective there is the word those. Then the next type of adjective is a coordinate adjectives. So what is a coordinate adjectives? So coordinate adjectives are separated with commas or the word and appear one after another to modify the same noun. The adjectives in the phrase bright sunny day and long and dark night are coordinate adjectives. So in this phrase bright sunny day, so the adjective there is the word bright and sunny. Since bright is they are separated by the comma. Here is long and dark night. So the adjective there is the word long and dark. Since the word and dark are separated by the word and. So that is a coordinate adjective. The third type of adjective is number adjectives. When they are used in sentences, numbers are almost always adjectives. You can tell that a number is an adjective when it answers the question, how many? So example is, the stage coach was pulled by a team of 6. So the adjective there basically is the word 6. Next example is, he ate 23 hot dogs during the contest and was sick afterwards. So the adjective there is the number 23, since if we make it in a question like how many hot dogs he ate during the contest, so the answer is 23 hot dogs, and which is 23 is an adjective. The next, or the fourth one type of adjective is a indefinite adjectives. So what is indefinite adjectives? Okay, indefinite adjectives, like the articles a and an, indefinite adjectives are used to discuss non-specific things. You might recognize them since they are formed from indefinite pronouns. The most common indefinite adjectives are any, many, no, several, and few. So these are the examples of indefinite adjectives. Examples of indefinite adjective is, do we have any peanut butter? So the adjective there is a word, there are no bananas in the fruit bowl. So the indefinite adjective there is the word no. Then the next, or the fifth type of adjective is interrogative adjectives. So what is an interrogative adjective? What is an interrogative adjective? So there are 3 interrogative adjectives: which, what, and whose. Like all other types of adjective, interrogative adjectives modify nouns. As you probably know, all 3 of these words are used to ask questions. For example, this kind of question, which option sounds best to you? So the interrogative adjective there is the word which. What time should we go? So, basically, the word what is the interrogative adjective there. Okay, that would be all our topic this afternoon about the adjectives, what is an adjectives, and what are the different types of adjectives, which are the ordinate adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, numbers adjectives, indefinite adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. I hope that you learned something and you have a takeaways about this topic because it is very important. So before I'll end this class, I want to leave you some quote says that learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and attended to with diligence. That would be all. Thank you.